Let's go.
Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making banana bread. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. You will need 3 large ripe bananas, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 1/3 cup of milk, 2 eggs, 1/2 cup of butter, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Place your bananas in a large bowl and using a fork, mash them until they have a creamy-like consistency. Now set the bananas aside until later. Make sure the butter is room temperature. Now using a stand mixer, cream together your butter and brown sugar. Now add the eggs and mix until well combined. Pour in the milk, vanilla extract, then add your bananas and continue to mix. Now slowly add in your flour, your baking soda and baking powder, then mix until well combined. Add the salt and cinnamon, then mix until well combined. Spray a loaf pan with baking oil, then line the bottom with parchment paper. Now add your batter to your pan, then transfer it to the preheated oven. Allow your bread to bake for 50 minutes or until a toothpick in the center comes clean. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.